Hello everyone. People are joining now. So let some more people join in. Hello Saksham. Hi Sharif Maniar. Dishashi official Rashi. Hi. People are joining slowly. Saksham has joined. Rashi has joined. Hello Saksham. इन लास्ट सेशन व्हेन आई वाज लाइव मैंने आपको एक आर्टिकल दिखाया था जिसके दो ही कलर आपको दिखाए थे मैंने, जिसका नाम है डुअल टोन लाग बैंगल। आई टोल्ड यू कि नेक्स्ट लाइव सेशन में जब मैं आऊँगा तो मैं आपको उसके सारे कलर्स दिखाऊँगा। तो आई विल स्टार्ट शोइंग कलर्स नाउ। उसमें वी हैव 17 कलर्स इन दिस, 17 डिफरेंट कलर्स इन दिस वी हैव। सो आई विल शो यू ऑल द कलर्स वन बाय वन। बट ऑल दीज कलर्स कम्स विद द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ गोल्डन के साथ। इसके लिए इसको डुअल टोन लाग बैंगल हम लोगों ने नाम दिया कि हर कलर के साथ गोल्डन का कॉम्बिनेशन है। सी दिस बॉटल ग्रीन कलर, इट कम्स इन सेट ऑफ 4, 4 के सेट में आता है ये। लाइट ग्रे, Wyndham Jutti has joined. Hello. Red color. And we have royal blue in this. Rhodium color in this. Sky blue. Basically a sea green, basically not sky blue. It's a sea green color. Hello Divya. Then we have baby pink in this. We have golden in this, golden with maybe we can call it mustard. Chocolate or mustard color. Basically caramel chocolate वाला color है ये। Then we have wine color in this. Coral color we have. Peach color we have in this. Can we customize these bangles and make a set according to our choice? Yes, of course you can do that. You can choose and pick any style and customize your set. So I'll going forward I'll tell you how you can do that. So please stay connected with us. We have yellow in this. pink or magenta also, some few people call it. And we have orange color in this. Coffee brown. Black and golden. Last but not the least, multicolor. तो अभी इसमें 17 कलर्स मैंने आपको अलग अलग इस स्टाइल के दिखाए। अब मैं आपको एक बार वो सारे कलर्स एक साथ दिखाता हूँ, सो दैट अगर आपने मिस कर दिया हो या कोई कलर ध्यान में नहीं रहा हो तो एक बार आपको दोबारा आइडिया मिल जाएगा कि कौन कौन से कलर इसमें हैं। ये देखिए, तो मैं आई विल स्टार्ट विद बॉटल ग्रीन। फर्स्ट कलर बॉटल ग्रीन, देन लाइट ग्रे, रेड, देन royal blue, then rhodium, then sea green, baby pink, then mustard, then wine color, then we have coral in it, then we have peach color in it, then yellow, then dark pink or magenta, then orange, coffee brown, black and multicolor. So these are the colors available in it, and we have 2, 4, 2, 6 and 2, 8 sizes readily available with us to ship right now. So now what I'll do is I'll try to make some sets also by combining these colors with each other, so that you'll have idea, you know, how you can customize your sets, as Quindam Jutti was asking. So I'll make some sets for you and show you how you can do that. See this. This is a small set if you want to make. So I'll show you bigger sets also having more quantity of candles. See this. Hi Priyanshu. This is a combination of yellow and magenta, dark pink. Next color I am going to show is rhodium and orange. Then we have combination of red and grey. Thank you so much, Quindam Jutti. We are glad you liked it. Then we have multicolor and peach. It comes in a set of 4, and a set of 4 is for 450 rupees, which includes your shipping. You can place your order, okay, you can place your order on our Instagram page and on our website also. Our website is dishashi.com. You can go and visit our website and place your order directly, or you can also get in touch with us on WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is 8882425001. So I'll say, अगर आपको किसी को immediate order place करना है तो आप हमारे WhatsApp कीजिए, उस पर हम लोग immediate revert करते हैं. और आपको you can also share your color of your dress, so we'll customize the set and send you the pictures also. Another set I have is pink and blue, dark pink, basically magenta and royal blue. See this yellow with bottle green. Then we have black and which
Coral.
color is this? Coral. We have black and coral. So I have a combination of mustard and dark brown. Another combination I have is wine and baby pink. So the way I am making sets right now, अभी जो जिस तरह से ये सेट्स बना रहा हूँ मैं, ये सिर्फ एक ही आर्टिकल के अलग अलग कलर्स को मिला के मैंने सेट बनाए हैं। आप इसके अलावा एक सेट और दिखाता हूँ मैं आपको, मल्टी कलर विद रेड। इसके अलावा आप बाकी डिज़ाइंस भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, जो जिसके साथ आप ये वाले बैंगल्स को कंबाइन करके अपना सेट बना सकते हैं। तो वी हैव मोर डिज़ाइन जिसमें हमारे पास ऑलमोस्ट 8 to 12 कलर्स हर डिज़ाइन में अवेलेबल होते हैं। इमीडिएट साइजेज आई टोल्ड यू 24, 26, 28 हमारे पास रेडीली अवेलेबल है, बट 24 and 210 ऑल्सो वी कैन प्रिक्योर ऑन डिमांड। उसमें थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है। उसके अलावा एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, इफ समबडी मिस्ड आउट, our WhatsApp number I'll tell you once again, which is 8882425001. You can place your orders directly to us. We'll, if I missed out some collection also, we can always customize sets with different collection and send it to you. So if you like that, and the better way of doing is you visit our website, which is dishashi.com. वहाँ पे जाके आप सारी कलेक्शन देख सकते हैं हमारी। उस पर we have just started introducing glass collection also, glass bangles. We just started doing that. अभी लाख का पूरा कलेक्शन दिखेगा आपको। हेलो राहुल, लाख का पूरा कलेक्शन आपको उस पर दिख जाएगा। ग्लास बैंगल्स हम लोगों ने अभी इंट्रोड्यूस करना उस पर शुरू किया है, तो सून यू विल सी द एंटायर कलेक्शन ऑफ ग्लास बैंगल ऑल्सो ऑन दैट। दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्टाइल वी हैव, विच वी सेल अ लॉट। Going forward, maybe tomorrow or day after, whenever I come back on live, I'll anyways inform you before I come live. I'll come up with another design of lag bangle. So first, for next few days, I'll show you all the lag bangle collections we have, all designs with their colors, and I'll explain about the sizes also, which all the sizes are available easily with us. So you can choose and pick and place your orders. And if you place your order on our Instagram page, I'll post this live session afterwards, and if you place your order on that, you get another 10% discount. And we do not charge anything for shipping. Shipping is absolutely free. Thank you, Rahul, for your comment. Wonderful collection. So shipping is always free from our side for entire India. So you can place your order from anywhere within the country, and we'll make sure you get your stuff without any delay, and you can utilize them for the coming parties and weddings and wherever whichever occasion you want to wear them out. The best thing with these bangles, lag bangles, is that you can wear them with different attires, with your sari, suits, lehengas, all of them. So it's a nice collection. It looks really good when you wear them on your hand. Maybe the way it looking good on camera right now, it looks actually more than that. It looks better than that when you see them actually. So do not delay anything before we get stock out for this, because as I told you, we sell this a lot. तो आप अपना ऑर्डर प्लेस कर सकते हैं। ऑर्डर प्लेस करते ही वी विल कंफर्म यू बैक, हम आपको उसका ऑर्डर का कंफर्मेशन देंगे। कंफर्मेशन देने के बाद विल कीप यू पोस्टेड अबाउट ऑल द स्टेप्स गोइंग फॉरवर्ड। I hope you like the collection today. I'll come back tomorrow again with new collection of lag bangles. Till then, thank you so much for watching this, and have a good health. Stay safe. Thank you so much. Bye.